Okay, this is lesson 80, trig identities, and for most of this lesson, I'm just going to have you look at your book. So it's on page 485. The first part that I want you to look at is just all of those trig identities that it lists. So you know sine of theta is equal to 1 over cosecant, cosine of theta is 1 over secant, and so on. And then we can focus on these three new ones. This one, starting here. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. 1 plus cotangent squared theta equals cosecant squared theta. And then tangent squared theta plus 1 equals secant squared theta. So those are your new identities that you need to add to your list of what you know about trig. So, the book goes through and it proves each one, each identity and why each identity is true. And I would like you to go through and read those. If I rewrote them, I would write exactly what they wrote in the book, and so it's probably just as easy for you to read through. So just make sure that you read through the proof on page 485, and then the proof that's also on page 486. After that, they come up with some new identities. These are on page 486, and I know it's blurry, but you can look in your book. These are the new identities. These are the three right here, and then these are the other forms. And basically, it's just if you subtract cosine squared theta, or if you subtract sine squared theta, or you know, whatever for each of these. So those are your new identities. Says these 9 forms are difficult to memorize because they're so similar. So the one that you have to remember, and I'm trying to get it to focus, the one you have to remember is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. That's the most important one. So, like I said before, go through and read through that part of the book. Sorry, just trying to get the camera ready so I can write. Go through, read those in the book, and then come back and do the next